What are three things that you can do to help you with your memory? Number one, exercise. There have been a lot of studies that have shown that actually there has been an increase in the gray matter from doing exercise. This can be a couple of different areas. The hippocampus, which is a typical memory center that you have that's deep within your brain, as well as the prefrontal cortex, and as well as the temporal cortex. In layman's terms, this means these are the areas that will help you with planning and decision making and helping consolidate information and memory too as well. So even doing a moderate level of physical exercise daily or at least several times during the week can make a huge difference in terms of your cognition. So definitely getting out there and then making sure that that's a daily habit for you is extremely important. The next thing that is really important to try to help you with your memory is sleep. If you don't sleep, you can't remember anything. You won't know what you had for breakfast. You won't remember the conversation you may have had with your spouse. You may not remember things that you really need to do for work. So sleep is very paramount. So that may mean you may need actual treatment for insomnia with somebody, possibly cognitive behavioral therapy, or maybe there need to be some sleep hygiene things that you might need to take care of too as well. The other thing that's also really important as well is going to be making sure that nothing is fragmenting your sleep, because anything that fragments your sleep may need to be addressed. And those are things like sleep apnea, as well as potential leg movements or any other abnormal behaviors. So seeing your doctor for a potential sleep study may be beneficial. The third thing that's also really important that can help you with your memory is dealing with your stress. And so dealing with your stress in a good way, where it's something that is not always affecting you negatively every single day. And so what happens with stress is that it increases cortisol levels and then affects the hippocampus, which are some of those regions I talked about a couple of seconds ago that help you with memory consolidation. So things that may be helpful are things like mindfulness meditation, maybe yoga, maybe exercise too as well. Maybe even as simply hanging out with your friends or having social interactions sometimes can help lessen that level of cortisol. Hopefully you found these tips very helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see you in the next video.